So 2 feet parallel, it's a 6 position. Now we're gonna slightly open them, heels together, toes apart. So this is a natural turnout. So we don't wanna go too wide, Charlie Chaplin style, that's too much. Or we don't wanna go in, because as you dance like this, it's not the most beautiful. So we practice how to achieve that natural turnout. So I recommend closing your feet, straight body, put your arms here and do for the 8 counts, open your toes, close, open, close, open, close, and open. So now we have a natural turnout. So this is already a very good indication for us. So whenever we're gonna take our step, let's say in any dance to the side, we wanna maintain this natural turnout. If we would like to go forward, we would like to maintain our natural turnout. If we're from here, we're going backward, we want to maintain natural turnout. And even we dance social dances like salsa, we want to have our feet naturally turned out. Or we dance maybe something a little bit more competitive, more high level like cha-cha, international style. We want to have our feet natural turnout. If we're doing American style, American rumba, anytime we trace our feet, we move our feet, we want to have a natural turnout. So it's a good exercise to do a few steps and see if you have natural turnout. So let's do basic rumba, which is the easiest. So we step to the side. We want to make sure we maintain natural turnout. Most of people, when they step side, you're already going to be this way, turned in. So you can look down, just make sure it's there. Now, as you want to move forward, you bring your leg in. It still stays in natural turnout, and you're going forward. So now back foot is also turned out still. So the back foot is not going this way. So it's still turned out. So it's 2 feet involved in our natural turnout. And from here, we can go side. We have a natural turnout. Then collect our feet. We're going back. So in dancing is not only what you do, it's also how you do it. And having a natural turnout in your feet, this will be #1 layer. So let's try practicing our rumba walk, side. So we have a rocking action forward, replace back, and we have side. We have back, we have forward, we have side. So now we check, okay, we have a natural turnout. So then we can, let's say, do shoulder to shoulder step. So we have natural turnout, we replace from here, natural turnout, natural turnout, and we replace. Now we can dance our cha-cha-cha. So we do cha-cha-cha, maintaining our natural turnout. We step forward, replace, just paying attention to one little detail. It's, do we have natural turnout or not? So see, we check our cha-cha-cha, we can do time step, a little bit faster. And now we already aware. Longer and more we practice like this, being aware of only just one little point, like a natural turnout, you can program it into your body and have it more automatic, so you don't have to think about it. And we can try a little bit samba whisk. See, we step into the whisk, make sure natural turnout, the foot not going this way, not this way. Now we have a Latin cross, we have a natural turnout. So we're practicing our samba, and we're not only practicing the step, we're practicing a new skill, having a natural turnout. We can do stationary samba walk, the same, so we have natural turnout. Or even we can do a bato fogo, having natural turnout, paying attention to our feet, and especially in those final positions, our feet are in natural turnout. Also, we can try swing or jive, basic walk. You see feet turned out, especially when you're doing triple step. Many people already have their foot lost. Now remember, if your foot is not in the right position, it breaks the whole look. So it affects the whole image and you're not gonna look good. Even you have the most beautiful posture, arm style, body actions, but the foot is turned in, it's immediately create big no. Because we want to look beautiful, we want to dance efficiently, we want to look beautiful. So this is what will teach us. Natural turnout is #1 point for us. So we're practicing our triple steps in jive or swing. And we do it for a while. you can just try with me and just only focus not on step. Of course, you must know this basic step that, okay, my feet are natural turnout. Also, I recommend you when in life, you talk to your friends, you're going to Starbucks, you stand, try to stand and be aware with your feet slightly turned out. So try to avoid these positions because this is so important and we want to practice it in life, not only on the dance floor, when you practice with your teacher or by yourself. So practice it in life, be aware how you stand. Let's say you stand, you talk to your friends, natural turnout. And it's gonna help a lot. Okay, so number one, we already got natural turnout and we tried a few dances. So natural turnout, 45 degree, not Charlie Chaplin, not parallel, not here. So slightly turned out, toes, heels together, toes apart. Now next one, if we would like to have a beautiful feet as we dance, we already have natural turnout. In order for us to maintain natural turnout, we have to introduce another principle of dancing as a brushing your feet to the floor or to have a connection with your feet to the floor. Now again, you don't want to press too much, but there is a slight connection, your foot touching the floor. That's why we have also dance shoes, and normally it has a leather, so you can really slide nicely. You don't have too slippery, of course, but it really helps. So I strongly recommend, of course, having a dance shoes, especially when you have a beautiful floor. You can practice, you can really trace your feet. So now let's say I am in a side step position and I would like to move my left foot towards my right and then maybe take a rocking step forward. So I have already natural turnout, but as I start moving, in order for my feet to look beautiful, not only at the final position, but during that journey, it could be fast, could be slow, could be medium speed, we would like to introduce a foot connection to the floor. So we maintain natural turnout, and with inside edge of my foot, as my foot moving, imagine I draw a line. So if you're doing rumba, there is a line towards my standing leg and then forward. So in this case, I will have my beautiful foot position not only at the very end of the step, but also during. Imagine like a pixels, like a little dot. So every dot, you will have a beautiful position, foot position. And feet are the most important because they will create the most beautiful picture for us. Okay, and we only talk in this video, this course, about technique. We not talk about musicality, how to be musical. That's entirely different subject. I will explain in my next course and we'll connect them together. So we're learning right now how to connect our feet to the floor. So I'm tracing my foot towards my standing leg, and from this middle part, I have a connection to the floor, trace, 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 and then my foot lands ball heel. Now from here we replace. Now for example, you need to go to this direction. So again, instead of lifting our legs and then being in danger of landing in a bad position, we're gonna trace our feet on the floor. So imagine you're on the beach and there is a sand and you wanna create those lines. Again, don't overdo it. At the beginning, you can do a little bit more, but then you will find the right degree of foot pressure to the floor. But there is a definitely foot pressure. See, my foot is natural turnout, so I press, 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 and I send it to the side. So I'm like drawing a line. Now from here, I'm transferring weight, the same here. So foot is a natural turnout, and we're dragging it. So we're not lifting and placing it back. We're gonna trace it. And in this case, you already learned that it's gonna look much more beautiful if I wanna step back, is to bring your leg towards your standing leg and then from here, trace it back rather than just going back directly. So it's coming to the standing leg and we replace. Now from here in the back, basic, sometimes you have to slide foot, so you never want to lift. You slide it, so you have a connection to the floor. So do a little bit faster, and I want you to see and imagine, and also of course try, how my feet touching the floor and moving from one position to another. You see, imagine this is position A, this will be position B. So from A to B, I draw those lines with my feet. So I have natural turnout